Using my Sep IRA, I've been able to save 30% of my paycheck from taxes, created a long-term asset which contributes to my net worth, which means that it's going to be easier to get things like a mortgage and business loans, and then finally provided me another avenue to early retirement. Currently, I have almost $50,000 inside of my Sep IRA, and if you follow the exact structure I'm going to be giving you in this video, you can get the exact same benefits from it that I was able to get. First off, if you don't believe that I'm not joking, that I actually do have 50 grand in this account, check that out right there. It should say 49,000 because Trump fucked the stock market, but look at that, 50,000. But you guys can see right there, 50,000. It actually says 49,000 because Trump fucked the stock market. But anyway, in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you why you should have opened a Sep account yesterday, exactly how to do it and which broker I personally used, and then finally how to get a free 3% match on your Sep IRA for completely free. My name is Xavier and I really like talking about money. If you want more free videos just like this, showing you exactly, giving you the exact financial knowledge that you wish that you had when you were younger, or that you wish that you just had in general. I'm a huge nerd about this stuff. I'm currently getting my master's in finance, and I want to teach you literally everything I know for completely free. If you want to get more videos just like this one inside of your recommended, feel free to go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below. First off, what exactly is a Sep IRA? A Sep IRA is just another account that you can get similar to a Roth IRA, which has a certain tax advantage. Now, unlike a Roth IRA, where the tax advantage is that after you put in a bunch of money, you can then take out all of it post-retirement at no tax. You can then take out all that money after you retired at no tax expense. A Sep IRA is the opposite, where any of the money that you put into that account is a full tax write-off. So for example, the $50,000 that I've put into this account over the last 2 years, I have written off on my taxes both years. Now, keep in mind, guys, the disadvantage is that when you pull that money out, you cannot write it off. So you have to either spend it in some kind of deduction way. So for example, once you retire, you could buy your retirement house with it. And then I would also recommend following what's called the 4% wealth rule, where it is if you withdraw only 4% of the value of an account year over year, generally that account is going to maintain its value. Due to, as long as your account is in some kind of stock or ETF of some kind, it's just due to the dividends that you're going to get paid, as well as the growth that it's going to experience. I personally use Acorns to create my Sep IRA, and I am a huge fan of them. First off, if you guys want to get a free 3% Roth IRA match, as well as a free $5 just for signing up to Acorns, I'm going to go ahead and include my link in the description. This video is not sponsored by Acorns in any way, but I personally do use Acorns and I really like them. And if you guys use the link in the description, you will get a free 3% match on the Sep IRA, which for me personally, since I usually invest about $1,000 into my Sep IRA month over month, I get the monthly fees for Acorns paid for just by that match deposit. On top of that, Acorns has a really good swap rate, which is just the amount that they commission off of your deposits, as well as how much they take from your cash, as well as how much they take from your cash dividends. And they have a few really nice features, such as roundups, which basically track your bank account and will round up any purchases that you make and invest them for you. Meaning that literally anybody watching this video, regardless of your income, can get started with a Sep IRA and invest into the roundup. And if you guys use the link in the description and get the gold plan, you will get all of those features included in there, as well as a free $5 bonus. Signing up to Acorns will support the channel, and it will support me, and it will continue to help me make videos just like this, teaching you guys all the real financial sauce that I wish that I had. So let's go ahead and review all of the reasons that you should have opened a Sep IRA account yesterday. Number one, tax benefits, which by the way, you don't have to be a small business owner or an entrepreneur to get, which is you can invest up to 30% of your paycheck and all of that money is a tax write-off. I don't really think there's a good reason not to do it if you have the money to do it, because you can just write that money off on your taxes instead of just keeping it in cash. Plus, it's going to grow over time because Acorns will invest it into either a portfolio of stocks or bonds or a percentage of either or. I personally keep all of my money in stocks because there's been some studies that have been coming out of France lately that show that if you are a long-term investor, aka if you're investing for at least 10 or 20 years, keeping all of your money in stocks is going to make you more money in the long term because stocks rise more than bonds consistently. Now, this isn't always, the stock market can go up and down, down. Keep in mind, guys, there is risks to opening a SEP IRA account. There is no such thing as a risk-free investment, but I would always recommend people pick a slow banking option versus a fast one. This is why I don't usually invest my money into individual stocks like Nvidia or Tesla, because it's so jumbled and varied. That's another reason why I really like Acorns and why I personally recommend it to people, is because they will invest it in a set of ETFs that are actually reflective of the real world market. For example, they'll invest your money inside of big company stocks. First, they'll invest your money in what's called the VOO. This is just large company stocks. It's kind of the equivalent of the S&P 500. They'll also invest some of your money into medium company stocks, into the medium company stocks ETF, the small company stocks ETF, and the international company stocks ETF. And this is another reason why I really like Acorns, is because they will manage all that portion for you. So you can just put money in and just let it sit, and it will grow over time. I'd especially recommend investing right now because the market is at a bit of a low point thanks to Trump's tariffs. So if you invest today, given 10, 20 years, you are most likely going to be seeing a good return. Plus, you get to write it off on your taxes, which is always a bonus. Now, let's talk about capital gains. Once a SEP reaches maturity, you do have to pay capital gains tax on any profit that you made, on any amount of money that you made on top. So you will be double taxed on both the income tax section, because when you pull money out of the SEP IRA once you retire, it counts as income, and then you will also be taxed for capital gains. But for me, the key is to just make sure to spend enough that it's not really a big deal, or pull out enough to make sure that's not going to be an issue. For example, inside of my account, as long as I keep investing the amount that I've been investing, my account will be worth $4.4 million when I retire. That's also not including my Roth IRA, which I have a traditional Roth IRA that is not inside of Acorns, and that account will also be worth $1 million when I retire. I think investing into your retirement is a huge financial weak point that a lot of people don't focus on. It's because people are interested in buying fancy cars, chasing pump and dump schemes on either stocks or meme coins, instead of investing in the ground economy and trying to be responsible and maintain your money. I'm not saying you can't go off and gamble. I've gambled sometimes before. It can be fun, but I would always recommend to make sure that you have a base to come home to. Me personally, knowing that I have that money inside of that account, and that, heaven forbid, if I really need to pull it out, I can and still live off of it for a long period of time, provides me an insane amount of peace of mind that I think is a major life upgrade. And that's why I would recommend anybody to open a SEP IRA. If you guys want to open your own SEP IRA, I'm going to go ahead and include a link to Acorns in the description down below. Signing up using that link does help the channel. So if you want to support me and support what I do, that's the best way to do it. The second best way is to just share this video with a friend. I'm trying to teach people real base financial advice on this channel instead of just gambling their money away or putting their money in some stupid ETF that's just a scam. I'm really trying to give people real advice here, and my goal with this channel is to get rid of all of the gurus. I don't sell a course or anything. I have no mentorship or anything like that. I literally just want to help you guys because I want to see every single one of you be as financially secure as you can. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye.